Hi, I'm Vidit Konkani, Technical Research and Development Intern in Trading Department at Rising Capital Group. Currently, I'm pursuing my PGDM in AI and Data Science from Adani Institute of Digital Technology Management. Somewhere right now, an option premium is shifting, a candle is closing, and a decision has to be made. Not in a minutes, not in a seconds, but in milliseconds. That's the world I work in. At Rising Capital Group, our purpose is clear to create sustainable value for our capital providers through futuristic, unconventional solutions. We trust and follow the process and data because in trading, the market doesn't reward hesitation, it rewards conviction backed by data. And that's the trader I'm learning to become every single day at Rising Capital Group.